sklearnmetricsmakescorer. Description: the makescorer function from scikit-learn's metrics module is a powerful tool for creating custom scoring functions that can be used with various machine learning models in scikit-learn. It allows you to define a scoring metric based on a desired function and specify additional parameters like greater is better, needs proba, and needs threshold. Inputs: scoffing. This is a callable function that takes two arguments y true labels and y predicted labels and returns a single scalar value representing the score. Greater is better, a Boolean value indicating whether a higher score is better true or a lower score is better false. The default value is true. Needs proba, a Boolean value indicating whether the score function requires probabilities as input, true, or accepts predictions directly false. The default value is false. Needs threshold, a Boolean value indicating whether the score function requires a threshold value as input, true or not false. The default value is false. Quarks, additional keyword arguments that will be passed to the scoffing function. Outputs: scorer, a callable object representing the custom scoring function. This scorer can be used with various scikit-learn functions like cross-wall score, grid search CV, and randomized search CV. Steps: the makescorer function takes a callable scoffing and optionally other parameters. It wraps the scoffing within a new function that handles additional requirements like probability predictions or thresholds if specified. It sets the greater is better flag to indicate whether a higher score is desired. Metrics: the makescorer function itself does not directly calculate a specific metric. It serves as a tool to create custom scoring functions based on user-defined metrics. You can use makescorer to create scorers for various metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, AUC, log loss, etc. Visualization plots: the makescorer function is primarily a utility for defining scoring functions. It doesn't directly generate visualization plots. You can use the resulting scorer with other scikit-learn functions like cross-wall score or grid search CV to obtain performance metrics, which can then be visualized. Fine-tune parameters: greater is better. This parameter controls whether a higher score is considered better or worse. Needs proba: this parameter determines if the scoring function requires probabilities as input. Needs threshold: this parameter determines if the scoring function requires a threshold for classification. Uncertainty methods: the makescorer function itself doesn't incorporate uncertainty methods. You can use the resulting scorer with other scikit-learn functions like cross-wall score or grid search CV to obtain performance metrics, and then use methods like bootstrap resampling or confidence intervals to estimate uncertainty. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1: understanding the scoring function signature. Sample use case: incorrectly passing arguments to the custom score function, causing errors during scoring. Fixes: carefully review the documentation for the chosen scoffing to understand the expected arguments. Y true, Y pred, etc. Ensure the custom scoring function's signature aligns with the requirements of makescorer and the chosen scoffing. Challenge 2: handling different prediction formats. Sample use case: a model produces outputs in a format incompatible with the chosen scoffing. Fixes: ensure the prediction format, e.g., probability scores, class labels, matches the requirements of the chosen scoffing. If necessary, adjust the prediction format using techniques like predict proba or custom transformations. Challenge 3: choosing the right metric. Sample use case: selecting an inappropriate metric for the task or data characteristics. leading to misleading results. Fixes. Consider the nature of the problem classification, regression, the data distribution, and the importance of various aspects, e.g., precision, recall, F1 score. Choose a metric that aligns with the specific goals and priorities of the project.